To connect your Samsung Galaxy Watch 9 to Google Fit app, what you need to do is we need to go to the Samsung Health app on the smartphone that is paired with your Galaxy Watch 9. Now over here, we're going to tap on these three dots in the upper right corner, and you want to go to Settings. Now, once we go to Settings, then over here, we should be able to find Health Connect. We want to go over here. And if you open this menu for the first time, you will need to grant all permissions, so make sure to do that. And then in here, you should be able to find the Fit app. If you don't have it, you will have to download the Fit app. So we can just go to the Play Store, and then in here, you can search for Google Fit. And there we go. Now you should be able to also install it on your Galaxy Watch 9. So if you have an install button, then on the right side, you will find an arrow. So you just want to make sure that your Watch 9 is also selected. So now let's get back to the Health Connect menu over here, and you can just simply press this plus button. Now we're gonna continue with our Google account. You might need to set up your gender and birthday. You might also set up your weight and your height. And then we can go next. Over here, we need to turn on the physical activity access for the app. And then here we have the option to sync Fit with Health Connect. So we're gonna tap on Setup. There we go, we need to allow everything and tap on allow. There we go, we are now connected, so we can tap on done. And now the Fit app should be connected with the Health Connect, and it should be connected with our Galaxy Watch 9. In addition to that, if you actually install the Google Fit app on your Galaxy Watch 9, then you should be able to find 4 Fit apps. So we have this one over here, Fit Goals. There is also the Fit Heart Rate. We have the Fit Breathe, and the other one is Fit Workout, so you should be able to use them. And you might also need to finish setting up the Fit app, so if that is the case, you might need to tap on this button here and then go next over here, select your Google account, just skip through that to allow the access to notifications. And one more time, you might also need to grant access to location, so we can choose, we need to turn it on. There we go, we need to also turn on location on our watch. There we go, so just grant access to everything that is required to be able to properly use any of these Google Fit apps. And there we go. And since you use the same Google account on both your Fit app on your phone and the Fit app on your watch, then you should be able to, of course, match everything. You should be able to track everything. As you can see, there's a lot to skip through, so you might need to take your time to actually go through all of that. I'm just skipping because I just want to show you how it finally looks like. And there we go, here we have our activities and everything else in here. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.